Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Good News, your CPM is going up on YouTube. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. If you've not subscribed already, today's topic, good news, your CPM is going up on YouTube. Let me just, to give you some context, this is a video directed at those who have a YouTube channel and are intending on making money from it. They've monetized their channel, so they've hit the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So you are actively monetizing your channel. This video is going to be useful to you. Okay, so CPM is cost per thousand, and you can look at this definition from Investopedia. Cost per thousand, also called cost per mil, is a marketing term used to denote the price of 1,000 advertisement impressions on one web page. In the context of YouTube, that is how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 ads on your YouTube videos. CPM rate will vary from video to video depending on the suitability or the desirability of your content as perceived by advertisers. And it's not just theoretical, it's actual and practical, because that's how much they'll pay for advertisements on a particular video. Cost per thousand. The higher your cost per thousand, the more you'll make from your views on YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. Let's have a look at the YouTube channel. Here we go. So I've got 7,000, almost 7,500 subscribers. I've got over 400 videos. And I want to show you something that I've never shown before, and that's the cost per thousand. And I'm just going to use a few weeks as a representative base, and then I'll switch it up and demonstrate my point. So for a few weeks, in the last few months, there's been a global pandemic. We all know this, we're all aware of this. And one of the impacts of that has been that advertisers are less willing to spend money because they believe, and this is understandable, they believe that people are less willing to buy their products and services. In a global pandemic, when people's health is threatened, and obviously you should refer to all the official links for health information, but also there's an economic impact. People's jobs are threatened, lots of people are made redundant, people were furloughed, some of those people who were furloughed will not have a full-time job when they come back because the economy has changed. So because of all of this, the impact on YouTube is that advertisers are willing to spend less. Less advertisers also come to the market. This means that CPM, the amount YouTubers, people who have a YouTube channel, can make from their channel, from the advertisements placed around their content, has gone down. So since March, CPMs have gone down across the board. There are lots of videos on YouTube, and you can search for those afterwards if you want, from creators talking about how their CPM rates have gone down. My channel has a good CPM rate generally because I talk about business, I talk about content marketing, social media. So it has overall it has a good CPM rate, but my CPM rate, just like all of these other people I'm referring to, went down. There's a general feeling amongst advertisers, and this is my opinion, there's a general feeling amongst advertisers that the global pandemic has come to an end, and confidence in the advertising sector has returned. So CPMs are increasing again to hopefully pre-pandemic levels. So I want to demonstrate this can be clearly demonstrated by the figures. So let's go last 90 days. My CPM was 31.58, and that is a good CPM, but it has been higher because I'm a business channel and I cover business topics, content marketing, and social media. Let's have a look at the last 28 days. Last 28 days, 28.24. Now, here's where we can see sign of recovery. The last 7 days, it's gone back up to 40.64. So you can see that the CPM is improving again. So this is good news if you have a YouTube channel, because you'll be, all other variables being constant, you'll be able to make more money again from your YouTube channel because more advertisers are coming to the market and bidding competitively for ads around your content. Now, obviously that's affected by the content you have, but across the board, I can say that all YouTubers will be experiencing higher CPMs now than they have been during the global pandemic. And this is great news. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. If you've got a YouTube channel and you found it useful, please give me a like. If you've not subscribed already, click on one of the screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.